everyone. Okay, so welcome to day 2 of the road trip now. So we arrived in Noosa yesterday evening, checked into the hostel. I didn't really get around to filming, but today we are doing the boardwalk around the Noosa National Park, so I thought I'd just take you with us and show you what it's like here in Noosa. It's actually really warm. It already feels a lot warmer than it was in Byron. It's really sunny and Noosa's really gorgeous. I was here last year around this time and I did this exact same boardwalk, so I'm glad I get to share it with Evo now. And yeah, so let's get into it. So if you guys are ever in Noosa and you're doing the National Park walk, definitely head to the fairy pools along the way because they're really good. So we're now on our way back to the car. I'm really happy I was able to show Evo this beautiful part of Noosa. It's gorgeous. I love Noosa. If you've been to Noosa, leave a comment below and let me know, did you like it and did you do this boardwalk, because I just think it's gorgeous. And if you are coming to Australia and doing the East Coast, I really recommend Noosa. It's really pretty. Okay, so now it's Operation Find My Boyfriend because he's run away. Oh, there he is. That's funny, I'm glad I filmed that. So we are coming to the end of the boardwalk now and we're just by the coast, so we're going to take a little walk along the beach and have another swim and then go back to the hostel to chill out for the night. And we're going to go grocery shopping too, so I'll probably film that as well. But look, beautiful.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. The future is bright.
Keep swimming!
We are now heading to Coles to grab some food for tonight. I still don't know what I want to eat. I've had like no appetite for the last few days. But what do you want to eat, Evo?
Hamburgers.
Yeah, I'm not really in the mood for hamburgers, but we'll see what there is.
Hamburgers and burgers, burgers and more ham. Hamburgers and burgers and burgers and more ham.
No, huh? He's so annoyed by me. Okay, so it's now like just gone 11 p.m. and I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. So we ended up having dinner, we cooked, it was nice. We spent a bit of time downstairs watching some Netflix with the other people in the hostel. Funny thing, we also bumped into a couple of people from Byron Bay. Literally just today on the beach we came across 2 people that left literally the same time as us. And so that was kind of weird. It shows it's a really small world, but at the same time in the backpacker community people always kind of go to similar places, so it kind of also makes sense. But yeah, so we bumped into people from Byron, which was interesting, and they're actually staying at our same hostel as well, which is also weird. So yeah, anyway, I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. It's getting late, so yeah, that's pretty much this vlog ended. I hope you enjoyed seeing our day in Noosa. Honestly, I love Noosa so much. It's one of my favourite places in Australia. Just for like a weekend trip, it's such a nice peaceful place. I think I'm gonna do the hill summit hike tomorrow or the next day. I'm not quite sure yet, but that would be really nice. I think we're going to take it easy tomorrow as well and spend a few hours editing on my laptop and applying for jobs and stuff. But tomorrow's a new day and I will be vlogging tomorrow as well. So I'm just going to end this vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed it and enjoyed seeing Noosa. If you are going down the east coast of Australia at any point and you want to explore Noosa, I highly recommend it. It's a gorgeous place, and hopefully this video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas of what you could do. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to end this. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about traveling Australia, but also just backpacking in general and nomadic life and all that comes with it. I document it all and have been for a long time. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!